Kickin' it with Shyane. Kickin' it with Shyane.
Go, Shyane. Go, Shyane.
Go.
Kickin' it with Shyane. Kickin' it with Shyane.
Go, Shyane. Go, Shyane.
Go.
Kickin' it with Shyane. Kickin' it with Shyane.
Go, Shyane. Go, Shyane.
Hi YouTube. Ever made a tornado in a bottle? Well, that's what we're doing today. Come on. Before I get started with our tornado, let's talk about our word of the day. Today's word of the day is penalize. Penalize means punish. If you don't follow directions, you'll be penalized. To build a tornado, we need 6 things. We need 2 bottles, water, food coloring, glitter, and toys. Oh, and we need tape. Then we should put it down the toilet. Now we're gonna rinse these out and fill up 1 ball halfway.
Gotta rinse it out good.
We got everything we need to build our tornado. We got 2 water bottles. One is halfway filled up with water. We got our glitter, we got our toys, we got our Kool-Aid, pretending that it's food coloring, and we got our tape. So now we're gonna put our food coloring in this bottle, right here.
Yep, the one with the
So what's the next thing?
Try to mush that around a little bit. Guess we should have kept the top so we could really shake it up, but it'll be alright. We'll get it shook up.
But you already threw it in the trash.
Alright, now you can get your glitter and all your toys. Put everything else on the inside of it.
In the inside? Put it in there? Kickin' it with Shyane. Kickin' it with Shyane.
Go, Shyane. Go, Shyane.
Go.
Kickin' it with Shyane. Kickin' it with Shyane.
Go. Go.
Those are very good.
I don't know, we might have should have put all the Kool-Aid in there. It's pretty dark.
You can't even see anything.
Kicking it with Shyane, yeah, you know some sister. After every
Maybe put a
episode, you
little
know
more
you're
water
gonna
in
miss her. Have fun under the sun. This is how we kick
Okay,
it.
put the rest of the
Kicking
stuff
it
in
with
there.
Shyane, kicking it with Shyane.
Kickin' it with Shyane. Kickin' it with Shyane.
Go. Go.
Kickin' it with Shyane. Kickin' it with Shyane.
Go.
Kickin' it with Shyane. Kicking it with Shyane. Some of these are
Go.
Now what should we do?
Now we gotta tape the 2 bottles together.
Now we gotta tape them together.
Let's get this on here. Let's get this on here. Here, you hold it and I'll start taping.
Okay.
We gotta be real careful with this part because then the water will waste all out. And this already not the best to tape.
Kicking it with Shyane. Kicking it with Shyane.
Go, Shyane. Go, Shyane.
Go.
Kicking it with Shyane. Kicking it with Shyane.
Go, Shyane. Go, Shyane.
Go.
Kicking it with Shyane. Kicking it with Shyane.
Go, Shyane. Go, Shyane.
Go.
Kicking it with Shyane, yeah, you know some sister. After every episode, you know you're gonna miss her.
We'll be back.
Have fun under the sun. This is how we kick it. Kicking it with Shyane, kicking it with Shyane.
Kicking it with Shyane. Kicking it with Shyane.
Go, Shyane. Go, Shyane.
Go.
Kicking it with Shyane. Kicking it with Shyane.
Go, Shyane. Go, Shyane.
Go.
Kicking it with Shyane. Kicking it with Shyane.
Go, Shyane. Go, Shyane.
Go.
Now that this is all taped up, now we're gonna go try it.
You got to hold it the right way now. And then flip it. Girl, you about to make a mess. Let me show her how to do it, because she a rookie. She don't know how to do it. She done made a whole mess, y'all. Flip it. Get close to it.
There's a tornado inside. So that's how you do it.
That way you ain't making no big old mess.
Go. Go.
Kicking it with Cheyenne.
Then you make it without the
Go.
book.
Go. Go.
Kicking it with Cheyenne. Kicking it with Cheyenne.
Go,
Go.
Cheyenne.
Go. 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 Go.